What's going on, guys? It was really cold this January, well, let me just show you what happened. My taillight busted, and you're probably wondering how I did that. Well, I brought it to a car wash, and it was like 15 below, and it was too cold for the plastic. The plastic broke. So, yeah, it was an expensive car wash, to say the least. So I have to replace it. I do have the replacement. It should be right here, ready to go. There it is. So, nice. All you have to do is just install it, which I've never done before, but we're going to find out how to do it right now. I figured it can't be that difficult because it's just a taillight. And we're going to work around my super ghetto lighting setup right now. As you can see, it's not ideal, but we'll make do. You see that cutout? I'm pretty sure that gets us what we need. Yep. I'll be right back with a little knife. America. Alrighty. Boom. And there's wires back there, I assume. Actually, you know what? Ah. Cool. So if you can see in there, it's just this little twist, looks like. Lefty loosey? Must be. Although it's really tight to be lefty loosey. Oh, maybe I have to pull or push. No. Push. Huh. It looks like a push, turn, pull out. Push. I'm gonna get a socket and see. Just gonna use this. Not too thick? Yeah, it is. Okay. Now, I think I just need to do. Oh, maybe this will work. With this. Just gonna push in real hard. I just want to see if it moves. Oh, God. Okay. Let's think. So after staring at this enough, why would they have these if you didn't twist it? So, and there's a slot there, probably for a flathead, but, oh, guess I'm just a puss. Keep twisting. It's getting easier. Okay, that is holding in the taillight. Let's figure out this clip next. Interesting. Well, let's look at the new taillight to see what the heck we're supposed to do. This, I'm assuming, goes in here. This clip looks like that clip there. And that's it? And that's it. So it's that clip there. Okay. good, I think. Ooh, what was that? Okay. So, we're free. Yeah, this far, which basically means we're done, right? There's a little red clip. There's a red clip on the back side of those wires. I think you can see it. That needs to come up, I think. And then I should be able to pull it out in one go. We're gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna use this punch tool to get into the little connector, little clip in here. Okay, red threads up. Literally just slides out. Literally just slid out. Oh my god. Ready? Hey, there she is. Broken. Now we should be able to pop the other one in. Well, actually, let's compare these. Hella, little Volkswagen symbol, made in Poland, no Volkswagen symbol, SAE certified. All right, well, I'm gonna send this and hopefully it works. We're gonna slide this bad boy in. Right, slide this bad boy in. There we go. Looks good to me. And let me show you what I've been dealing with here. Okay. That clip, I had to pop that red thing up and apparently just pull it out. But it wasn't as easy as it looks, so I'll put you guys back. To this view. Maybe you can see what's going on here. So I'm gonna place that wire this way. Slide it in. Push it down. And that should be connected. And then we take this bad boy here, start twisting. Now, that's not going to go anywhere. Those are plastic threads, so I'm not going to continue twisting until it doesn't twist anymore because they're plastic threads. So, okay. That pops back there. And you're going to be here. I'm going to turn on the car. And we're going to hope this works. Huh? Haha! Nice! Okay. Huh? Nice! They look the same? Yep. All right. Okay, in the moment of truth, this is the best part. Ready? This is what you've all been waiting for. Nice. So, it's gonna be harsh light. Oh. All right. So, a little bit of a struggle, mostly because of that, because of everything actually. But this is an easy project. I'm glad it was so straightforward. If it wasn't 25 degrees in this garage, I think it would have been even smoother. But takeaways from this would definitely be that thing twists, you don't push it, and I would refrain from washing your car when it's too cold. I think I would have known that, but I didn't. So keep that in mind. You guys probably know that, but keep that in mind. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.